Welcome to another energy harvesting experiment. This one might be taking things a bit too far. We'll find out. Because what it is, we've been building these stairs for our front deck, and they still need quite a bit to finish off, like the top step and the underneath supports. But what I'm thinking is to try and put lights up them either side, probably 8 lights, 4 on each side, in this bag. This kind of a light, just a second, right, straight out of Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is to, of course, take the solar panel off, take the circuitry out from inside, and just use the light itself, and then position them, you know, either side, going up and down these stairs. So 8 of them, and hopefully all powered from reused mains ground energy. So back indoors, what's the plan? I don't have one fully, but what I will be doing is to take the solar panels off these and clean up those areas. There's likely to be glue underneath. Then I'm going to take the circuit out. I'm going to replace these LEDs with others, something that isn't white, isn't the red that you've all seen, you know. And I've got various ones here which I'm going to be testing on this circuit in a minute. Just a quick test to see which ones might look nice on the stairs. And that gives a variation to the probably expected white LEDs. Around the back, now this is where things are going to connect in parallel, one with the next, with the next, with the next. So I'm going to use one of these connector type of things. You get them with microcontrollers and other things. Put one of those on such that you've got 2 lines input and 2 lines output, and that way I can connect all of them in parallel with 2 wires between each one. You'll see what I mean later on. And these are the other type of regular connector, so 4 pins that will plug in, and that should make it really very easy to connect everything up once they're all done. So the first thing to do is I'm going to test these LEDs, see what they look like. So how I'm going to be testing is I've got one wire that runs to this, well, it's supposed to be an input jack for a microphone and this audio amplifier, but it seems to work very well as a kind of a ground. And on the other end is 10 foot of wire that goes out of my window behind me. But what it allows is if I pick this up, you'll be able to see that LED flickering away nicely. So what I'm going to do is try each one of these out very quickly and then pick one to use for the stair lights. So there's the red. Here's green, which is actually really very bright. Here's white, which is, well, white. There's the orange, which I really do quite like. And here's warm white, which, yeah, it's still just a white, isn't it? But a kind of dirty colour. So, after a discussion with my wife, we both decided we quite like the orange. It's not the most intense colour, but we don't really want massively bright lights. We don't really want to use the white. The red is, well, that's been used on a lot of experiments anyway. But this orange just looks like quite a nice light. As she said, it's somewhat like the flicker flame solar lights that she's got. We're going to use that. Okay, so now we have a circuit and we have our LEDs. I will just be using the one circuit because we've seen already how 12 LEDs can be run from one of these circuits on the 12 LED lantern. So that was a good experiment to pave the way for this one. Next, to modify each of these lights, I'll just show one modification and then I'll be repeating that 8 times. Here it is out of the packet. There are 4 screws on the back. I'll take them out. There we go. And let's see inside. Okay, all regular there. Got the on-off switch, battery, little circuit, and then to the LED. So take all this gubbins out. That's the screws removed, so we can take that switch out. We can take this off. And I'll take the battery out plus the wires. The final thing to take off is the solar panel. So what I'll be doing is gently pressing from behind with a thin implement, push it forwards very slightly, and then we should be able to remove the panel itself from the other side. There we go, everything is now removed. So next thing to do is to, well, I think I'll use hot glue to glue in one of these orange LEDs into there. That's the LED glued in. Next thing to do is to tidy this up. Much better and cleaner. So what I'll do next is to just put a couple of dabs of hot glue on the holes to make it better weatherproofed. There's one, and there's the other. Now the next thing is to cut out a little area at the back here for one of these 4 connectors to go into. There we go, I'll glue the piece in now. That went well, nice and neat. So next thing, on the left hand side, 2 wires will connect to the LED, and I'll also copy those 2 connections across to the other 2 here for the output. And there we go, that's the first one wired up and done. You can see the wiring, how I've done it. The 2 inputs cross over to the 2 outputs. Right, so that's 1 done, just 7 more to do. Finally, for this video, I've got the rest of these prepared, ready with all the parts removed. There's parts over there, ready to be converted like this one, and I'll be showing how to connect the first one up such that the rest of them can then be paralleled, and we'll be fitting them to the stairs and doing the tests. So if you're looking forward to that, please do like and subscribe. I'm trying to get monetized, so hopefully you'll be able to subscribe and watch along with me. Thank you very much for watching this one. See you next video.